middle for us. Hey, Georgie. Georgie has a poo-poo diaper. I'm gonna change it. I changed it, baby. Daddy. Oh, poo-poos. Poo-poos.
Just one more. That's it. No more wipes.
I want to get 2 more.
No, that's it, right? Okay, that's it.
Georgie, you cleaned off your bum. Hey, where's your mom? Baby, way down. Way down. Baby, way down. Georgie, way down. No, Georgie, go back into your diaper. Be down, baby.
Alright, put the diapers on now.
Now, don't go away, Georgie. Good, don't go away. No, baby. Look, Casey. How do I put the diaper on? Please show me.
See if you can figure it out.
I don't know how. Show me. Can you help me? Help me.
Good job, Raya. Put the baby's diaper on. Okay, move Georgie. Good job, Raya. Like this, see? Xander, stop.
Help.
Good job, Raya. That was good. Okay, Xander. Lay him down. You're doing good, Raya. Now remember, diapers go like this. Pull it up. And use the straps on the side. Okay, Raya, you do what Xander did.
I don't know how.
You guys are crazy. Good job, Raya. You did it.